Right, here we've made a decision to modify the track a bit. Well, this is a Radius 2 crossover, and what we've done is we've brought some of the new Pico track to make it a lot easier for the trains to go over. Yes, it works fine, but I do feel that this will work a lot better. Now if you look here, going over these Radius 2 crossovers, and look at this here where we've done it. So smooth. So smooth. Right, if you look here, if you can move the train, this is going through a Radius 2 crossover. Which you can see, keep it going. I'm going to follow it round. You can see where it's a lot wider. Look at that, that is so nice. The difference. Superb.